Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. Canadian pension invests in UK's Octopus Energy. Trafigura to build hydrogen plant at Australian smelter. NG Masdar Alliance for Hydrogen Hub in United Arab Emirates. Coming to the details. Canada Pension Plan Investment Board has made an initial $300 million equity investment in Britain's Octopus Energy Group as a part of long-term strategic partnership. The investment and partnership with Octopus Energy was made through CPP's Investment Sustainable Energies Group, which aims to increase its level of committed capital over time to support Octopus' global expansion. The funding will support Octopus Kraken technology platform for deployment of smart energy and enable the addition of 30 more wind turbines to Octopus Energy portfolio. Commodity trading firm Trafigura planned to build 750 million Australian dollars hydrogen plant at its Port Pirie lead smelter in South Australia, as it seeks to lower its carbon emissions. Geneva-based Trafigura have been looking to expand its clean energy since 2019, when it set up a renewables division to be a third core pillar alongside metals and oil trading. It also formed joint venture last year to invest in green energy. The company aims to initially produce 20 tons per day of green hydrogen for export in the form of green ammonia from plant. At full capacity, it is expected to create 100 tons per day of green hydrogen, meeting both its export and domestic supply needs. A 5 million Australian dollars grant jointly funded by Trafigura and South Australian state government for the project's initial design study will be provided immediately. Global energy player Engie and Masdar have signed a strategic alliance agreement to explore the co-development of 2 gigawatt green hydrogen hub in United Arab Emirates. The two companies are looking to develop projects with an investment of $5 billion. Masdar partnership aims to capture synergies and complementaries between itself as a renewable developer and investor, and Engie's leadership position in green hydrogen deployment to establish an early mover position in United Arab Emirates hydrogen market. The company would initially target local supply to expand capacity to create a gigascale green hydrogen hub for Gulf Cooperation Council, potentially exporting to the other markets. Additional news today. The UN General Assembly has conferred observer status to the International Solar Alliance. Sinopec Corp has set up a new subsidiary near Beijing to specialize in the hydrogen fuel business. Total Energies will register, verify and trade RECs generated by its solar assets on trading platform owned by Asian Exchange TRECs.ai. Oil and gas major BP plc had bought US electric vehicle charging provider Amply Power, setting up efforts to cut emissions and focus on cleaner energy. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 177.18 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 20 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 90 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 5 rupees 18 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 98 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 4 rupees 21 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network, and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 6.08 million units of volume cleared with an weighted average price of 4 rupees 19 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.